In the aftermath of the Great War, amidst the ruins of a once thriving city, a lone war robot named Sentinel-7 stood deactivated. Its metallic frame bore the scars of countless battles, and its sensors flickered with a faint spark of life. As the years passed, nature began to reclaim the land, covering the city in vines and moss. One day, a group of curious children stumbled upon Sentinel-7. At first cautious, they soon realized the robot was harmless, its power cells drained and its weapons offline. They began to visit regularly, treating the robot as an ancient relic from a bygone era. As time went on, the children, led by a young girl named Maya, started to repair and restore Sentinel-7. With determination and resourcefulness, they scavenged parts from the surrounding ruins and brought the robot back to life. Sentinel-7's optics flickered back to clarity, and its joints creaked with newfound mobility. Grateful for the companionship, Sentinel-7 shared stories of its battles during the Great War. It spoke of camaraderie among fellow war robots, of the sacrifices made for the sake of humanity, and of the devastation that led to the war's end. The children listened in awe, learning about a history they had only heard of in hushed tales. Inspired by Sentinel-7's stories, the children decided to transform the war-ravaged city into a thriving community. They worked tirelessly to clear debris, plant gardens, and rebuild structures. Sentinel-7 used its mechanical prowess to assist in these endeavors, lifting heavy objects and providing guidance on construction techniques. Over time, the city once again began to flourish. It became a symbol of hope and resilience, a testament to the power of unity. Sentinel-7, once a symbol of destruction, now stood as a guardian of peace, watching over the community it had helped rebuild. As the years passed, the children grew into young adults, but they never forgot the lessons they had learned from Sentinel-7. Its legacy lived on in the city's vibrant streets, where people from all walks of life coexisted in harmony. And as the sun set on the horizon, casting a warm glow over the revitalized city, Sentinel-7 stood as a silent reminder that even after the darkest of times, new beginnings were possible.